Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn LCM, least common multiple, by prime factorization method. Here we will learn two ways to solve. LCM is also known as lowest common multiple. Let's find out LCM by prime factorization method of the numbers 24 and 90. We make two columns like this and write numbers 24 and 90. Now we divide both the numbers by using only prime numbers. We will divide 24 and 90 by prime numbers. And we know that the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Let's take first 2 prime number to divide. 24 divided by 2, we get 12 as a quotient. Then again we divide 12 by the prime number 2. 12 divided by 2, the quotient will be 6. We will write 6 just below 12. Again we divide 6 by 2, prime number 2 is a prime number, we get quotient 3. 3 is a prime number. We divide 3 by 3, quotient is 1. We do the same process with 90. 90 divided by the prime number 2, the quotient will be 45. Then we divide 45 by 3. 3 can divide 45 and the quotient will be 15. Then 15 again will divide 15 by the prime number. I am using 3. So the quotient will be 5. Then again 5 divided by the prime number 5 itself. The quotient will be 1 and our process ends here. Now we write 24 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. No need to write 1 and 90 equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. In this prime factorizations, the maximum number of times the prime factor 2 occurs is 3. This happens for number 24. Similarly, the maximum number of times the prime factor 3 occurs is 2. And this happens for number 90. The prime factor 5 occurs only once in 90. So the LCM of 24 and 90 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Will not take this 2 and will not take this 3. Will take this pair of 3. 3 into 3 and 5 is all alone. We'll write multiplied by 5. Now let's multiply. For LCM of 24 and 90, we are taking this group of 2 and not this one. And we are taking this group of 3 and not the single 3 and 5. Let's multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 3, 72. And 72 into 5. We can multiply 72 times 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 means 360. So the LCM of 24 and 90 is 360. Now you try question number 1. Find LCM of 60 and 90 by the method explained. Let's do the same question. Find LCM of 24 and 90 by alternate method. We can call it second method. For the second method of LCM, we write both the numbers 24 and 90 in one column and we keep sufficient distance between 24 and 90. So the first step for this method is write the numbers with some distance. Number 2, divide the numbers by using prime numbers. So we have to use only prime numbers. We know the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So let's start. Divide 24 by the first prime number 2. You can take any prime number which can divide the numbers. You can take 3, you can take 2, but I am taking 2. I am dividing the number 24 by 2 and 90 also by 2. We divide 24 by 2, we get quotient 12, and we divide 90 by 2 and the quotient is 45. Again, to divide 12 and 45, you have to use only prime numbers. You can take 2 or 3. I am taking 2. 12 divided by 2, the quotient is 6. 45 is not divisible by 2, so we'll copy down as it is. Now I want a prime number which can divide 6 and 45. This time I am taking 3. 6 divided by 3 and 45 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3, quotient is 2, and 45 divided by 3, quotient is 15. Here 2 is a prime number, so we'll divide 2 by 2, but 15 cannot be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, quotient is 1, and 15 will be copied down. To divide 15, we'll take the prime number 3. 15 divided by 3, so 1 will write as it is, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Our process ends here. We can stop our process here because in the last line we have 1 and the prime number 5. In the last row there is 1 and 5 which is a prime number, so we can stop our process here. Now we'll write LCM of 24 and 90 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, no need to write 1, and multiplied by 5. Watch again how to write LCM of 24 and 90. We write all these numbers in multiplication and these numbers together. Then we multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72, and 72 5s are 360. Now you try and find LCM of numbers given below by the method explained. Question number 2, 42 and 210, and question number 3, 35, 60 and 80. Now let's find LCM of 40, 75 and 100. We write these numbers in one column and we keep sufficient distance between all the three numbers, 40, 75 and at some distance 100. Here also we'll divide all the three numbers only by prime numbers. We divide the numbers only by prime numbers, and we know the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. You can take any prime number to divide. So this time I am taking 5 prime number to divide all the three numbers. So 40 divided by 5, yes. 75 divided by 5 and 100 also is divisible by 5. Quotient will be 8 when you divide 40 by 5. Quotient will be 15 when you divide 75 by 5. And quotient will be 20 when you divide 100 by 5. 8 and 20 are divisible by 2. So this time I am using 2 prime number to divide 8. 15 is not divisible by 2. 20 is divisible by 2. We will get quotient 4, 15 as it is, and we'll get quotient 10. Now 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. So again I will divide these numbers by 2. 4 divided by 2, 15 is not divisible by 2, and 10 divided by 2. We'll get quotient 2, 15 as it is, and we'll get here 5. Now 2 is a prime number and 15 and 5 are again divisible by 5. So we divide all the numbers by 5. 2 is not divisible, 15 is divisible, and 5 is also divisible. We'll write 2 as it is. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. And the last we have 1. Our process ends here, or we can say process can be stopped here. We can also continue if we wish. The process can be continued. Now in the last row we have 2 and 3 and 1. So we use prime number 2 to divide 2. 3 cannot be divided by 2 and 1 also cannot be divided by 2. In last row we'll get 1, 3 and 1. Now we divide by the prime number 3. 1 cannot be divided. 3 divided by 3 and 1 again cannot be divided. Now you can see we have 1, 1 and 1 in the last row. And our process ends here. Now LCM of 40, 75 and 100 equals to, we write all these numbers in product and these numbers, but here we have only 1, so no need to write 1. We'll write only 5 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3. No need to write 1. We'll multiply all these numbers and we'll get 600. 600 is the LCM. Now try yourself. Question number 4. Find LCM of 50 and 90. Also try question number 5. Find LCM of 35, 60 and 105. Thank you for watching, learning, sharing and subscribing my channel. Let us learn with Hema Date.